Dear students, in this video I explain the second characteristic property of gases. All gaseous matter occupy space. Okay, see this image. Take a glass jar with some water in it. So this is a black portion is the water. So up to here take water in this glass jar. Now take a empty glass tumbler. This is a glass tumbler. Okay, when an empty glass tumbler is pushed upside, this is the upside of glass tumbler. When an empty glass tumbler is pushed upside down into the water and tilted, that means bended, what do you observe? The gas bubbles, these are the gas bubbles. Gas bubbles can be seen rising to the surface of water from the mouth of the glass. So in the glass, empty glass, air is there. That air is occupying space here. Okay, so hence we can say all gaseous matter occupy space. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the third characteristic property of gases. All gases don't have definite volume, using this example. Okay, and for all the chemistry, class 6 chemistry, IIT JEE foundation videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.